In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use HandBrake for video conversions. By the end, you'll convert a video from start to finish in HandBrake with a suitable preset, the right format and encoder, your chosen audio, optional subtitles, and a saved output file ready to use. First, open HandBrake. You should see the main window with options for source, presets, and tabs across the top. Now, click Open Source, then select your video file from your computer. HandBrake will scan the file. If it's a large video, give it a moment. Once it loads, you'll see details like the file name and duration, confirming the source is ready. Next, choose a preset. You'll find presets like Fast 1080p or 4K. Pick the option that matches your target resolution and speed. For general use, a Fast 1080p preset is a reliable balance of quality and speed. If you need a 4K output, select a 4K preset to match that requirement. This ensures HandBrake applies sensible settings without you having to adjust everything manually. Now set the format to MP4 or MKV. Use the format drop-down in the main summary area. MP4 is the most widely compatible choice and works well for web, mobile, and most players. MKV is great if you need advanced features like multiple audio tracks or certain subtitle types. Choose the one that fits where you plan to play the video. Go to the Video tab and choose the encoder. Select H.264 for maximum compatibility across devices and platforms. If you need smaller file sizes and your playback devices support it, choose H.265. H.265 is more efficient but can take longer to encode and may not play on older devices. Don't worry. Selecting either here won't change your original file. It only affects the new encoded copy. Now go to the Audio tab and select the audio track you want to include. If there's only one track, it may already be selected. If you see multiple tracks, like different languages or commentary, click the one you need. Make sure the track you want to keep is enabled so it's included in the final video. Next, go to the Subtitles tab if you want subtitles. This step is optional. If your source video includes subtitle tracks, you can pick the one you want to include. If you don't need subtitles, you can skip this tab and leave it as is. Click Browse to choose your save location. In the File dialog, select the folder where you want the converted video to go and give the file a clear name if needed. Confirm you're saving as the correct format you selected earlier, then click Save. This step ensures you know exactly where the finished file will be created. Finally, click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin the video conversion. Watch the progress bar at the bottom. The time remaining will vary depending on your preset, encoder choice, and computer speed. You can continue to let it run in the background. When it finishes, HandBrake will show that the encode is complete. Navigate to the folder you selected and open the file to confirm it plays correctly. Your HandBrake video conversion is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.